Hey, welcome back to the Filmmaker's Formula. I'm Kevin, and happy Thanksgiving. I know you guys have to get back to turkey eating. Just give me 2 minutes to share with you one of the easiest way to up your B-roll game with DIY backdrops. On this channel, we like to break down the ways other creators make their videos, find their secrets so you can add it to your arsenal of editing techniques. Now, one of the biggest things that make professional videos professional is their good B-roll. Now, if you look at tech-based channels like MKBHD and Peter McKinnon or Sarah Dietschy, they all have really good B-roll, and their product shots are always on point. Now, to get a nice background can get quite expensive. There's this product called Replica Surfaces, and it's like $80 a board. Now, yes, you could use what's around you, but let me show you an easier way to get the shot without breaking the bank. Now, they sell these decorative films online. Sometimes they're called wall stickers or furniture decals, but they have a bunch of patterns and they range from $5 to $15 a roll. They even sell some at the Dollar Tree. I just bought a bunch of them. The good thing about these is that you can stick them to any flat surface you have. And using the white poster board you can get from the Dollar Tree, you can just stick it on and boom, instant backdrop. Some other ideas for backdrops are construction paper, if you're going for that one color look. I specifically have a green backing on one of these poster boards for when I need to take action shots for thumbnails. If you have an old window or a mirror, you can also stack them on surfaces you already have to get that glossy product shot look. These white post-it boards are also a really good way to fill light in your shot, but that's for a different video. Let me show you what this shot looks like if we didn't have lighting. Gross. Now you can go crazy with this and use doormats or even cutting boards. I found this grass doormat that works really well. Hope you guys liked that video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any experience making your own backdrops, or if you have any more ideas for creative backdrops. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. Until the next video, I'll see you later.